Welcome to Rhythm Radio, a Le Sommelier Club initiative.
Hello everyone, I am Jobit. Welcome back to another interesting and informative broadcast of Rhythm Radio of SAI HMCT. Let us begin with an inspiring quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. Hello everyone, I am Jobit. Welcome back to Wine of the Week. This week we are taking York Arrows for our discussion. York Arrows is a dry red wine from Nasik at Maharashtra in India with 40.3% of alcohol by volume. Shiraz and Cabernet Sauvignon are the grapes used for the production of this wine. It will be good and you can get a better feel if you consumed it at the temperature of 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. The wine needs to be aged at least for 12 to 15 months in a barrel. It is good to have with steaks, kebabs, spicy Indian foods, etc. Thank you for your attention. We will see next week, same day, same time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Beer of the Week. I am Alan Abraham Johnson from the 5th semester. Here, I am going to take all those for our today's discussion. All those is an all-natural, full-bodied, premium non-alcoholic malt beverage. It contains only the finest natural ingredients including barley, malt, domestic and imported whole corn, hops, grapes, yeast, select grains and water. The only difference between all those and other malt beverages or beer is that the alcohol is gently processed. It is contained with 0.5% alcohol by volume. It is originated in Missouri, United States. Beef, chicken are the pairing foods. Serving temperature of the all-door beer is 35 to 40 degree Fahrenheit. Thank you everyone for the kind attention. Have a nice day.
Welcome back to Cocktail of the Week. Myself, Jibin Jose. This week we have discussing about Moscow Mule cocktail. Glassware is Moscow Mule mug and garnish is lime slice. Ingredients required to making Moscow Mule are vodka 60 ml, lime juice 15 ml, ginger beer 19 ml. Now we move to the preparation. Squeeze lime juice into the Moscow Mule mug and drop in the spent shell. Add 2 or 3 ice cubes, then pour in the vodka and fill with cold ginger beer. Serve with a stirring roll. Thank you for listening. Next week, we come with another new cocktail.
Welcome back to another session of Expert Advice. Myself, Jitin PJ. Today, I am going to discuss about blind wine tasting. Blinded wine tasting is wine tasting undertaken in circumstances in which the tasters are kept unaware of the wine identities. The blind approach is routine for wine professionals, wine tasters, sommeliers, and others who wish to ensure impartiality in the judgment of the quality of wine during wine competitions or in the evaluation of sommelier for professional certification. I hope everyone understood. Thanks for listening. See you on next week.
Hello friends, this is Matthew Stephen from the 5th semester. Les Sommelier Club of SJIHMCT has conducted a session on the topic Bourbon by Abel Manuel on 29th September 2021, followed by a quiz competition conducted on the same topic and Amal Kumar got first place, Ashwin N. Nair got second place and Nidhin Kumar got the third place. On 4th September 2021, the Les Sommelier Club of SJIHMCT has conducted a session on the topic Ganache by Akhil Matthew, followed by a quiz competition conducted on the same topic and Amal Kumar got first place, Ashwin Govind Krishna got second place and Jidin got the third place. Les Sommelier Club of SJIHMCT has conducted a session on the topic Applejack on 11th October 2021 by Bobin Paulson. Thank you friends. Let us see in the next week.
Welcome back to Kiss of the Day. Myself, Robin Epan. Topic of the quiz is Mojito. In which country did Mojito originated? How much alcohol content in Mojito? Third, what is the garnish for Mojito? Fourth, what mint is used in Mojito? Fifth, which alcohol is used in Mojito? Answers of the previous quiz are the following. Which alcohol is used in Irish coffee? Irish whiskey. Second, who invented Irish coffee? Chef Joe Sheridan. Third, what type of glassware used in Irish coffee? Irish coffee mug. Fourth, what is the ingredients for Irish coffee? Irish whiskey, fresh cream, brown sugar, hot coffee. What is the another name of Irish coffee? Gaelic coffee. Thank you for everyone to attending the quiz. Have a great day.
Thank you for spending some time with Rhythm.